Hi, welcome back. I don't know if it's getting a little bit dark now. Might have to give up. Oh, we're okay. Oh, there's a nice Christmassy glow going on. Right, we're on to project number 11. After project number 9 was a disaster. So let's have a look at this one. This one is make your own decorations kit, and it's £1 and it makes 5 decorations. For this one then, you get these pads of paper that have already been scored and they already have holes in, and then we've got these pipe cleaners. We've got some twine and some ribbon and some beads, and it looks like what you do. There's enough for, what does it say? There's enough, it says enough 5-pack. So there's enough for 5, yet there's 3 pipe cleaners. I don't know how many punch stars and circles, plastic beads, punch stars and circles. Where's the punch stars and circles? I don't know. Right, these strips, some of them are wider than others. I don't know if that's significant of anything. They're narrower than the others. Right, I'm assuming then what you do is you just separate all the strips. I didn't think it was going to be that easy. Yeah, this isn't going to be the walk in the park, I don't think. I think I mean, already, look, that's not. So you separate all the strips, so it's going to be like raffle tickets. You're going to be lucky if you get one off without it doing what it's not supposed to do. So you pull all these strips off. This is already not good. Look. Already not good. Already not good, Vernon. My dog's come in to see what I'm doing. He's found me tearing up paper. Look. Already not good. And the instructions are not good either. I can't see them, to be honest. I can't see what they're doing in the instruction. And look, these paper pieces are just falling apart. So I think the idea is there, and the idea is that, I mean, look, you can't use that for anything. The paper's very flimsy. I think what I might do is use some good quality paper and stuff that I don't have to tear to pieces, and I'll do this project. I'm saying no to this as a buy it to do with your kids, because it's just look, I'm trying to be careful and it's just tearing. And the thing is, it's supposed to be ready for you to use. So you don't want, you shouldn't really have to go get your paper trimmer out. And, you know, if you bought this to do with your kids and just slung it in the bag to take on holiday or something, they're going to be really disappointed when everything starts tearing. Look. So I'm going to say a no to this one. So project number 10 is a no-no. Okay. And I didn't buy this one for the giveaway, thank goodness. I will try and remedy it, but I will show you what this is. I will redo this project using nice quality paper and things that aren't pre-cut. So that's a no-no. I wouldn't recommend that one personally. So sorry about number 11. I did try, and we'll be back for number 12. Okay.